This is a question that deals with cash payback period. This is a very simple question, exercise number 2 from chapter 10. All we're looking at is how soon we get our money back. So we're going to look at how soon we get our money back. We're just saying, well, how much do we invest? How soon do I get my money back? So it's a fairly simple calculation here. It says Primera Banco is evaluating 2 capital investment proposals for a drive-up ATM kiosk, each requiring an investment of $87,000 and each with 8-year life and expected total net cash flows of $232,000. Location 1 is expected to provide equal annual net cash flows of $29,000. And location 2 is expected to have the following unequal annual net cash flows. So we have to look at these, and we're going to evaluate. For location number 1, we have $29,000 per year. So the calculation is fairly simple. For number 1, we're going to take the $232,000. This is for location 1. I'm going to divide that by 29,000 because I get that every year. And just doing the simple division there, 232,000 divided by 29,000 looks like it's going to pay back in 8 years. Okay. Now we figured that out. So now we're going to look at and evaluate number 2. It's not quite as easy. So for number 2, we're going to have unequal cash flows. As we can see over here, we have year 1, 39,000, year 2, 30, year 3, 18. So we're going to add each one of those together. So until we get to the 232,000. So I can put into my calculator the 39,000 plus 30,000. And of course that equals 69,000. Now we haven't paid it back yet. So we're going to add another year. That's 18,000. That's 87,000. We still haven't paid it back. So we're going to add year 4, and that's 46,000. That's 133,000. Well, we have to keep going because we haven't paid it back yet. So we'll add 35 to that the next year. $168,000. We're getting close, but we're not there yet. So we need 232. So we're going to add year number 6, which is 26,000. That's 194. Not there yet, so let's add another 20,000 to it. We get 214,000. We haven't finished it yet. We haven't paid it all back, so we're going to add the 18,000. And I get 232. So in this question, it's also going to be a payback of 8 years. So in both situations, we're going to have a payback of 8 years. Your question is probably going to be different, and it may pay back sooner. Once you've paid it all back, that's the year you would select.